Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Burp Suite Community Edition 2025.5.4 on Windows operating systems. First go to Burp Suite official website, that is portswigger.com. Enter, then click on products. See here we have three options: Burp Suite, Desktop, Professional and Community. In this video I am going to download and install Community Edition. Click on it. Then click on go straight to downloads. Then select the edition. See here the latest version is 2025.5.4. Then select the operating system, Windows x64. Then click on download. See download started. Go to download. See here its size is 315 megabytes. Wait until download completes. This will take time. In meantime please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See download is completed. Now click on the exe file to install. Click on next. See this is the installation location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path. I am okay with the default one. Click on cancel, then click on next. See if you want to create shortcut menu folder, you have to select the checkbox and this is the name. Then click on next. See now it is extracting and installing Burp Suite Community Edition. See we have successfully installed Burp Suite Community Edition. Click on finish. Now go to start all applications. Then go to, see here we have the Burp Suite Community Edition. Click on it. Now select the template project in memory, then click on next. Use the Burp Suite defaults or load from the configuration file. I don't have anything, so use the defaults. Then click on start. If you want to disable extensions, you have to select the checkbox. I don't want, so click on start Burp Suite. See it is starting the Burp Suite project. Okay, we have successfully installed Burp Suite. Now if you want to create new task, just click on new live task. If you want new scan, you have to upgrade to professional. See here we have the different options. Okay, so you can go through the documentation and you can practice. Go to documentation, then you can practice. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Burp Suite latest version, that is see here 2025.5.4 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.